Everything seems to be in order under here. Oh, g'day. Are you an automotive technician with their Warranty Fitness Authority? Then we need you to join the team here at GWD Toyota Alexandra. Look at me, I'm out here with a hammer. I don't know what I'm doing. Here at GWD Toyota, we've got great modern facilities. Our workshop was completed in 2020. We've got a great range of hoists. You've got your oil lines up on the wall there, make life easy. Plus, underfloor is heated for the winter. You'll be able to work on anything here at GWD Toyota Alexandra, from the legendary Land Cruiser to the Hilux and even the humble Corolla, plus everything in between. And being a Toyota franchise dealership, there's the opportunity for Toyota franchise training, including becoming a Toyota Master Technician, a world-renowned accreditation. But where in the world is Alexandra, and what is there to do there, I hear you ask? Well, Alexandra is located right in the heart of Central Otago, and there's loads of things to do. Let me take you for a tour. There's an abundance of mountain bike trails around, including the Central Rail Trail. There's an abundance of rivers and lakes for you to enjoy around here too. You can go fishing. You can grab yourself a vessel and enjoy the water. Or you can just go for a good old-fashioned swim. What are you waiting for? The water's fine. Oh, refreshing. So if you want to live, work and play in the heart of beautiful Central Otago, get your application in for GWD Toyota Alexandra today. You won't regret it.